Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to take a look at a portable SSD, the Bolt B75 Pro from Silicon Power. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the Silicon Power portable SSD. This is the Bolt B75 Pro. Now this is a ruggedized portable SSD for backing up or storing your photos, images, files, whatever it may be. These are really popular right now, and now that the SSD technology has come down to such a price point that these have become much more affordable, these are definitely an upgrade or a more reliable option than the previous hard disk drive versions of portable drives. Previously with hard disk drives, obviously you had to be a little bit more careful with them. There was mechanical moving parts in them, and even though they had technology such as head parking and all that kinds of thing, or extra rubber grommets, all those kinds of things to try and secure the drives, you always had to be a little bit careful. Whereas with these now, with the SSDs inside, there are no moving parts, so essentially you can be pretty rough with them and not a lot is going to happen to your data. It's going to be absolutely fine. Now Silicon Power have re-released this. There was a previous version of the B75 which was available in silver, so this is the new black version, the Bolt B75 Pro, which has been upgraded. It's got a better controller, better SSD inside, and lots of other features. So let's take it out of the box and have a look and see what we get and see what you think of it. So first of all, let's actually take a look at the packaging. So the packaging is actually pretty nice if you're going to be buying this as a gift for someone for Christmas time or New Year, whatever. Actually, I think they'll be pretty impressed with it. The packaging looks really nice, and it tells you all the details. You get a 3-year warranty with this as well, which is a nice feature. Also, they state in it's 4 times faster than conventional hard disk drives, which yeah, definitely it is. I've done some speed tests on this, which we'll go into in a little bit, but I found this to be extremely quick, both on USB 3 and USB-C, which is one good feature of this. It actually comes and supports both features. It's also backwards compatible, so for those of you that are using older USB 2 technology, you're still going to be catered for, it's not a problem, but this is ideally designed for those really fast transfers over USB-C. As it says on the front, got shockproof, so it's shockproof to military standards. It's scratch resistant in this nice new shiny case they provided, and as it says, it's got USB Type-C and a Type-C cable is included, so Type-C both ends. There's also USB 3 one end and USB-C on the other. So let's take it out of the box and see what we actually get. So we get a user manual, which most people probably won't look at. You get a USB 3 cable, so that's USB 3 on one end, Type A, to a USB Type-C cable. So that is the one which I guess most people are going to be using. But for those of you that are lucky enough to have a device with USB-C built in, you've got USB-C to USB-C. Now, like I've said, I've done some speed tests on this. Using the regular USB 3 cable, we're getting some really stellar speeds. Now, I was getting 460 megabytes per second rather, both read and write, which is slightly above and slightly below some of their specifications. Now, they're actually specifying this should be good for 520 and 420 respectively, whereas I was getting 460 either way, so I guess I was pretty much bottlenecking the USB 3. But when I used it with the USB-C, using my Asus X370 Prime Pro motherboard, I was getting transfer speeds a little bit quicker than that, as you can see flashing up on the screen now. So we were getting like 560s and 520s, which is over the spec of what the drive is supposedly able to do. So let's take a look at the drive itself. So this is the drive in its protective shell, and as you can see, it's a very tough and durable aluminium or aluminum, and it's got these nice ridges on there which kind of look like aircraft cases or sort of carry-on luggage, so that's really nice. It's designed so that will raise it slightly off the desk, the ridges, and also protect it from getting scuffed or scratched. So it's pretty resilient even just doing that. Scratching it around, apart from a little bit of dust, no damage whatsoever. So again, you can stick this in a pocket, stick it in a bag, you can be pretty rough with it, throw it around, do what you want. This is a tough cookie. Now it's got some nice features on this, so you've got a little SP Silicon Power logo on the bottom, and next to that is also a LED, so that's your status LED, which comes on when there's data transferring or the drive is active. Now they've designed it so that that can actually be seen, so front on or back on, whichever way you want to look at it, and you can see it from the top, so at a glance you can see what it's doing. I was doing some tests earlier with Crystal Disk, and you can see it flashing away from pretty much any angle, so I knew when the tests were done. But yeah, all pretty good. You can, if you want to, you can take this apart. So there's 4 screws in the base, and there's a clamshell that comes off. There's some silicone inside which holds the drive in place to keep it all nice and sturdy. And there is a drive in there which doesn't actually have any branding on it, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be the Silicon Power A55 model. Possibly it could be a slightly better one, but for my money I think it's the A55, which supports all the caching and all that kind of stuff. So you've got some extra DRAM on board for file caching, which is really nice to see. This one is the 512GB version. There is smaller versions and larger versions. This goes right away up to 2 terabytes. So if you're feeling a little flush and you want to go for the 2 terabyte model, then definitely you can do that. Prices at the moment in the UK, this as it stands in the 512 is about £69 on Amazon. The drive itself, just the A55 drive, if that is the one which is in here, which I believe it is, you can pick those up at the moment for around about £50. So not much of a price premium to get this nice ruggedized case and also 2 very high quality USB cables. So as I said, these cables, very good, very strong. They're braided as well to protect them, and they've got a nice bit of flex to them. They almost feel like a kind of silicone cable. I'm not sure if they are because obviously it's braided, I cannot see inside, but they do feel like high quality cables. They're not these kind of cheap things you get from Poundland. These are the real deal. So that is pretty much it. Let's look at some of the features. Obviously, size-wise, for some of you, size may be an issue. So let's take some measurements. So length-wise, you're looking at 122mm, as in the length. The width of the drive is just slightly bigger than an SSD. So you're looking at about 82mm, and depth-wise, you're looking at just slightly over 12mm, including the ridges which raise it up slightly. But essentially it's not much bigger than the actual physical SSD itself. So it's nice and light, nice and compact. Grams, it's about 100 grams in weight, so it's not very heavy at all. So you can stick it in your pocket. In fact, actually, comparison-wise with an iPhone XR, the iPhone XR is considerably more heavy than the drive itself. So nice and lightweight. You can stick this into a bag, stick it into a pocket. You're barely going to notice it's there. And if you don't notice it's there and it accidentally falls out, it isn't going to be a problem because it's a military grade spec. So there we go. That has been the Silicon Power B75 Bolt. I'm actually really impressed with this. I've actually done some work with this already. I've done the unboxing just to show you what you get, but I've actually edited some videos from this. So by plugging this into my PC using the USB 3 rather than USB-C, even with the slower speeds, although USB 3 is still pretty quick, but even with those slower USB 3 speeds, I've managed to do full-scale rendering and video editing, scrubbing, all that kind of stuff through the timeline with Adobe Premiere, which can be a pain in itself sometimes, even with internal drives. But this has been absolutely fine. So if you're a video editor and you're planning on getting your footage, taking it from your camera, put it onto one of these, taking it to a friend's house to edit or whatever, this is going to be absolutely perfect. Or if you just want to back up your data, you can also use Silicon Power actually do include their own backup and recovery tool, which you can download. There's an SP widget. You can download that, do your backups, set up custom backups or folders, etc. from your PC, and use this as a backup drive, which you can then carry around and take wherever you want to. So there we go. That has been the Silicon Power Bolt B75 Pro. I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.